In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a contact using Zoho CRM in N8n step by step. If you work with automations and need to remove contact records from Zoho CRM automatically, this is a simple workflow action that can save you time and keep your CRM data clean. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick N8n and automation guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct automation because the action you add will run based on this workflow's setup. Once your workflow is open, look over your existing nodes so you understand where the Zoho CRM step should fit. Next, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new actions to your workflow. In the search bar, choose Zoho CRM. Select it from the available integrations so N8n can connect your workflow to your Zoho CRM account and let you work with CRM records directly. After that, choose Delete a Paid Contact. This is the exact action you need if your goal is to remove a contact from Zoho CRM. Once selected, N8n will load the configuration options for that delete action. Now configure what to delete. This is the most important part because you need to make sure the workflow targets the correct contact record. Enter or map the contact information required by the node, depending on how your workflow is set up. If your data is coming from a previous node, connect the correct fields so N8n knows exactly which contacts should be deleted. Double check your settings before saving. Make sure the action is pointed at the right contact and that everything matches your workflow logic. Once it's configured, the delete step is ready to use in your automation, and that's it. You've now learned how to delete a contact using Zoho CRM in N8n. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more N8n tutorials, automation walkthroughs, and CRM workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.